Hi, it's Britt with ShirtSpace. Sure, every t-shirt claims to be soft, but how do you really know until you have it in your hands or until after a day of wearing it? Well, that's what we're here for at ShirtSpace, to educate you about t-shirts so you can make an informed decision about buying blank apparel. No one wants to order shirts, especially in bulk, and then have them arrive and have them not be what they expected or what they were exactly looking for. Luckily at ShirtSpace, we do provide free returns on the bulk of our items, but let's try to save you the trouble in the first place. Today we want to talk about this very popular tee that's used for many different purposes, including promotional items, sports teams and club uniforms, and various forms of apparel decoration. HANES is a popular brand that we all know and quickly associate with undergarments and basic tees. Why not go for a trusted brand name that you know when you're trying to decide what blank apparel items to purchase? The HANES 5280 Unisex ComfortSoft T-Shirt is great for budget decorators because it only comes in at a couple bucks and some change. The majority of the colors are made from 100% ComfortSoft cotton, with the exception of the ash color, which is made from 99% cotton and 1% polyester, and the light steel color, which is 90% cotton and 10% polyester. The HANES 5280 weighs 5.2 ounces, so it's a versatile midweight tee that you can wear any time of year. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. Constructed with double needle stitching throughout, a cover seam neck with a lay flat collar and shoulder to shoulder tape, this t-shirt is created with durability in mind. The HANES 5280 is converting from a tagless label to a tearaway, meaning the inventory may be mixed. The tagless label means that the label is printed on the inside fabric underneath the neckline and cannot be removed. The tearaway tagged shirts have a removable rip-away tag sewn into the inside back collar. Coming in 26 colors, there is something for everyone. Go for a neutral to balance out a busy or colorful pattern, or go for a show-stopping shade like Wow Pink, Bluebell Breeze, or Clean Mint. If you're wondering what types of apparel decoration you can do on this shirt, well, we have some news for you. You can do almost all of them. Screen print with water-based, discharge, or plastisol inks, no problem. You can do heat transfer vinyl and other types of transfers as well, just check your heat settings. Direct to garment print, embroider, and this is an awesome shirt for tie-dye because cotton is the ideal fiber for really beautiful and vibrant designs. These tees are great to try out different forms of apparel decoration, especially if you're just getting the hang of a new medium in particular. Testing out methods and materials is very important so you don't have any crafting mishaps and to yield fantastic results in the end. Coming in sizes small through 4XL, there's a wide range of sizes to fit a variety of body types. Stock up so that when a customer comes your way needing a particular item, you're able to fulfill it quickly. If you have satisfied customers, then it'll lead to positive word of mouth and eventually more incoming business. If the HANES 5280 sounds like just the tee you've been looking for, well then head over to ShirtSpace.com, the best place to visit for all of your blank apparel needs. If you have another tee or topic that you want us to talk about in another video, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a great rest of your day. Hey, did you know National T-Shirt Day is June 21st? Make sure to mark your calendars and don't forget. How embarrassing would that be?